Welcome to another article video.
I'm Abby.
I'm Rian.
And today we are going to be tackling a commercial office space. Hi guys. Hi Bibi.
Hi everyone.
We are on our way for a consultation with WEFIX today. And which commercial space is it?
It's WEFIX Ltd.
Who is WEFIX Ltd?
WEFIX Ltd is a local Edmonton small business, and their services are the following. They offer automotive repair, automotive accessorizing. They are also glass experts from automotive to residential and also commercial. Here are their services. I know there was a lot of services in there. The best way for you to know is to give them a shout. Here's their phone number. In terms of this project, the biggest hurdle that our clients did mention to us is about the storage that they have. Storage is very visible from the clients and also for themselves, and for them they don't see it as a way that it's pleasing to the eyes of their clients. But our clients are obviously thinking of their clients and making sure that they have a nice and clean space for them. We rented 5 boxes from Reboxable to help us move stuff out of the office. The boxes were very sturdy and big enough to accommodate large items such as binders, a ream of A4 papers, computer equipment, and a lot more. We removed this cabinet as per our client's request. It took a little work as there are a lot of screws in every corner. We made sure that we cleaned all the shelves for storage and for later use. To be congruent to our purpose, the shelf is what we'll be using for our next storage space. Continue watching on how we did it.
What did you do to make sure the wires are organized?
So in terms of the wires, these wires involves networking wires and also security system wires and also for computer system wires, and there was a lot.
So much.
I have not realized that operating a small business like that even uses 2 computers, I didn't see the magnitude of how much wires there was. The client requested us to make sure that when it's time for someone to clean the office, it would be easy for that person just to
sweep it.
To sweep it.
Sweep it and mop.
Exactly. Instead of lifting all those wires, and usually when you sweep them anyway, you don't really get all the dust that sticks in the wires. So I thought of a solution of making this platform, and this platform is we just bought the wood from the Home Depot and we just put the screws together. What type of organization did they need from us?
Their stuff is kind of organized in a way because their shelves have stuff in there. The other half is basically the office stuff, and then the other half is basically extra automotive parts, those kind of things. Basically what they wanted is to get rid of the shop items and leave every single office stuff into the office. So what I did is took out everything that we do not need in the office and then just label all the bins for, like, for example, paperwork, wires, cords, and such.
What strategy did you use to make that happen? For the space to look more vibrant but also appealing for both parties.
So they have a good amount of space for storage. What they wanted and what they specifically asked is that they wanted to get rid of the shelves and not be visible in front of the client, and so as the other window, the side of where the shop is, they wanted to look clean basically. So what I did is I planned it out by making sure that the shelves are not visible to anybody by putting it right at the very top.
There was a lot of stuff on their table. How did you organize that for them?
Well, I asked them which one do they really need, because not every single paper in there are actually in need for your daily business routine. You do not need 100 pieces of paper. So I asked them which one do they really need, and then we just put them aside. And then the ones that they do not really need, we put them in the bins or in the cubbies.